Mic testing, mic testing. Hello. Hello everyone. As you can see, this is a much better, saner avatar that I am holding now. Uh, so angel broking में free demat account खोलने की link is there in the description. Please click on the description link right after you watch the video and give yourself a Dasera gift which is coming up. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, we have our Sunday live YouTube session. We are going live on Sunday from 6 p.m. approximately for 45 minutes to connect with our audience and subscribers for the first time. So you can join there. And thank you so much for the phenomenal response that you're giving for the training program that we are starting in on 22nd November. We've got a really, really thumping response, and all your suggestions, your queries now will be answered because a lot of you have joined the program. So I'm very happy to say that thank you for joining, and there are more people in the pipeline. So one message to you all. I have received your messages for bookings, and the earlier you join, the better the earlier I can close the batch, and we can, begin on 22nd November. So this video is about identifying the secret sauce. So as you can see, guys, every company, that we keep talking about, every good company has their own secret sauce. Secret sauce, as in, look at HDFC Bank. What is their secret sauce? A, the number of customers that they have. B, the kind of quality of data analytics that they have. Now, I'll mention three companies here who are in the core business of something, but their core idea of business is not their business. It is enhanced by data analytics. Asian Paints, HDFC Bank, and Bajaj Finance, BAF. All these three companies are in three different businesses. Bajaj Finance and HDFC are kind of connected in the lending space. One is a leader in the NBFC sector, one is a leading bank. What is the data advantage for all these three companies? That's a common point, and that's a point beyond the pandemic that we have to understand. With these great companies will gain more. By the way, if you're wondering why have I kept the sunlight, it's good to get good vibes more than watching me. I think you can listen to me, and I would like to get the energy from the sun. So if you can watch me even partially, I'm okay. I don't mind, but I wanted that fresh light to come. We need light this year in our lives. So all these three companies have a common hitting point, which is data. What has Asian Paints done with data? For the last 5 decades, in every corner of India, they've collected data and they are playing with it. This data is the moat, MOAT. uh, it's kind of a barrier to entry for every company, which Warren Buffett keeps talking about, that we have to understand what is a barrier to entry. Nobody in their right mind can even imagine competing with these guys. For the last 5 decades, Asian Paints has collected data in every nook and corner of India. What colors are selling, what tin sizes are selling of the paint, and what contrasting types, what is selling, what price points are selling. Now because of that data, they are able to refine their process better, and they are able to give us better products. uh, and the working capital cycle of Asian Paints, from paint out of the factory to cash in bank, working capital cycle is 8 days, just 8 days. Now that is brilliant. That can only happen with data analytic refinement. HDFC Bank, what have they done? They have collected data for all kinds of transactions, for customers, CASA accounts, most of the CASA accounts, current accounts, saving accounts, and they are a leader in the CASA accounts. So today, if the government of India wants to build a road, they will not go to HDFC Bank for a loan, they'll go to SBI. And these loans, they have higher NPAs, they take time to recover. But if any, in the world of finance, they are called as mouth watering loans, or let's say if any retail loans are supposed to be given, then those loans are ideally given by HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak. But the data advantage and the metrics, the autopilot process is with HDFC Bank. They've made their bank as an autopilot. They don't need to, any good layman CEO can come and run the bank. It's more like the processes are so set that, मतलब बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में, पैसा कमाना ही कमाना है. There's no other way. They have to make money. And Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance actually targeted chartered accountants, doctors, lawyers, and all these solo professionals, in India, which is a very niche market in itself. Nobody thought of targeting these guys. So majorly doctors, CAs, lawyers, and professionals who are actually very rich, but they don't come ideally under the HNI category, but they are actually very rich if you go to the interiors of India. So उनका data collect किया for the last 20 years. And today, if you have a doctor in Solapur, or if you have a doctor in Ludhiana, or if you have a doctor in Bandra, Mumbai, they can actually give you the kind of loans, or rather the kind of, if their families come, if you go to a Chroma shop or a Vijay Sale shop, or wherever a Bajaj Finance guy is sitting and waiting for you, he will be the fastest one to offer you the best EMI possible in the market. Nobody else can even think of competing with that EMI, because his data tools, his data analytics of the customer data spending is foolproof. And when I say foolproof, it is indeed foolproof. So even those guys have such a huge lion's share in the industry. They have such a huge market share because they've refined their processes based on customer spending data, and that data analytics is now helping them. So what do we get a takeaway from this video, guys? That you can do any business in India, but if you are not active in data analytics, I think somebody in your competition will take away the cake, and you'll be repenting again. आप बिजनेस कोई भी करो, लेकिन कस्टमर कहाँ खर्चा कर रहा है, व्हाट प्रोडक्ट्स द कस्टमर इज बाइंग, वेदर इट्स बजाज फाइनेंस, दे नो कि कस्टमर कौन से फ्रिज में कितना ईएमआई लेता है, कौन से कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल में कहाँ लेते हैं, कितना ईएमआई जमता है. वो कस्टमर का प्रोफाइलिंग इतना स्ट्रांग है डेटा की वजह से, दैट देयर processes are refined, and that's the beauty of these world class companies. I would say they are on their way to becoming great companies, all of these. So the secret sauce is data. And going further, as you can see, post pandemic, we keep hearing this from sources. Data is the new oil. इसीलिए जियो, अगर आप देखो, रिलायंस ने ऑयल बिजनेस छोड़ के पूरा जियो के पीछे पड़ गए, इसको एक्सपांड करना है, एक्सपांड करना है, एक्सपांड करना है. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, आप डेटा के साथ जो चाहे बोलो, whether you curse IT, you curse it, you don't need to be a programmer to be a data analytics person. In fact, you don't even need anything. You just need to play with the software. अगर आपको सॉफ्टवेयर पता है कैसे यूज होता है, so you can actually do a good job. Anyway, I'll see you guys on Sunday, and then we can probably talk more about it. अगर आपका कोई query है, please do put it down on the chat box. The link is there in the description. And also don't forget to open your free account with Angel Broking, the best brokers, one of the best in India. I'll see you on Sunday. Keep profiting, guys.